Alright, but what's the So this is gonna be cooking chicken at Tony's house.
We're gonna like spread
Yeah.
Alright, boys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Starting Billie Eilish, starting Navajo Indian.
Alright, we painted
Starting Iran's leader.
and the goat leader. Hey, we got the chicken.
Pompeo.
Look at the chicken.
We got the chicken going, boys.
We're using some of this cheating. We're cheating a bit here.
How do you guys feel about war? Leave it down in the comments.
Only Eddie's in the comment.
Dude, yeah, I'm the only one that comments, bro.
I comment sometimes.
I'm a real one, aren't I? Wait.
It's like whiskey business.
And then at the end, he's like,
Diana's got a piece of that lemon. I mean, not the lemon, for the lime.
she's probably gonna get lemon squeeze.
Yo, yeah, ashy knees, dog. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Tony, what are you doing?
What is wrong with this kid?
Tony, what's wrong with you?
Viewers, show the viewers your praying mantis.
I do not associate with.
I can't finish the rest.
Hey, me.
Oh. Sorry. Yo, how are you enjoying our cinema? What that?
Do you have a?
We're putting stuff in this cup.
Take it out.
I think I may have been caught. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna drink some.
Damn, big man chugged the whole thing.
Chill, nah, it was just a sip. Check the footage. Jason, we caught the mystery girl. Check the footage. I'll leave it ended right here. Yeah, it smelled like lemon, but I did drink some. I was like, it's fine.
I'll drink it anyways.
I bet.
The title of this video is gonna be.
Some more fridge of the chicken. Hey yo. Look at this. A nice bird gave us life for this food right here, baby. Let's go.
Stop eating chicken.
Look at this chicken. Yo.
Oh my god, dude. And this girl, dude.
Alright.
Video started, boys. I just want to congratulate this man. It's made a bomb ass chicken. Goddamn. Iran should be scared of this chicken. This shit is bomb. Longer throws.
I was going.
Hey, flaky fat motherfucker.
Oh. Yo, chill.
Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, stay tuned for more videos coming up in the future. Peace out.